Hey guys, Erwin here from BLA. Got here one of the latest products from Lewmar, which is the Lewmar Eclipse roller shade. So we've got it installed at the moment on the Lewmar hatch size 40. And basically it consists of two different shades, the sunshade and also the mosquito insect shade. So really good quality, really well made. They've got magnetic catches there that you can see. Really easy to operate. Another great product there from Lewmar. For more information, guys, on this great new product or anything else in the Lewmar range, contact your local BLA territory manager or call 1300 BLA Sales.